Hello everyone. Yes. So finally we are back with the news which ICSI have brought. I know everybody have noticed that there is a buzz going on about the what ICSI have brought the new changes, right? So today we'll discuss quickly about that what you have to do, and it's a really good news for you guys. So let's get started. What things we have done. First of all, whatever modifications are done, that is for CS executive. For CS EET and CS professional, same things are going on. Yesterday only ICSI gave a notification, right? Now in that notification for CS executive, some important modifications are done. Ma'am, do we need to study all new things? No, don't worry about it. What changes are there? Very nice changes for you guys. So kind of you can say a Diwali gift, ICSI have given it to you. So what is it? So first of all, in which papers changes are there? So we have changes in paper 1, JIGL, which the paper which I am only taking it, right? Then some changes are there in paper number 2, which is your company law. And the third change is in your second group. These are for your group 1, right? And the third change is in your paper number 6, which is your ECIPL, again which I am only taking it. So what are the changes? What are the amendments? So in paper 1, JIGL, what they have done is they have eliminated few chapters which now you don't need to study for your exams. Wow, ma'am, great. Yes, it's a great news, right? So which chapters? So I'll clarify here which chapters are there. First of all, let's come to Constitution part. Constitution of India. No, don't worry, chapter is there. But in that, the part of bills, different types of bills are there. That topic is eliminated now. You don't need to do that. Done? Yes. Next, another important changes which are there is your next Specific Relief Act. Now you don't need to do it. Specific Relief Act removed. Done? Great. Then third, we have done arbitration. Arbitration is there. What you don't have to do is mediation rules, which I told you during the class also. We have discussed that entire mediation new act is going to be there, right? So right now ICSI have eliminated this mediation rules. Later on we'll see when this mediation act comes. Fine. So again, great news. You don't have to do that also. Done? Okay. Then what else? Then you don't need to do Indian Stamp Act also. Eliminated. Wow, ma'am, thank God. Yes. Then you don't have to do Registration Act also. Done? Then Sale of Goods Act. This is also removed from your CS executive syllabus for JIGL. Now what they have done is they have, obviously all these topics are there in your entire CS, but some topics they have shifted into CSEET, some they have shifted to the professional. So for executive you do not have to study. All these things eliminated. Then I hope this is very clear and you guys are very happy, right? So that is for the first paper. Done? Yes. Then if I talk about company law, No major such amendments or deletion has been there. Which the topic which you don't have to do is operation and mismanagement. Again, this topic eliminated. So enjoy now. Then, so operation mismanagement you don't need to do. Otherwise, majority in company law, everything is there. Fine. Now let's come to the ECIPL part. Now in ECIPL, first thing you don't have to do is external commercial borrowings. Not required. So this is eliminated. ECB not required now. Yes, they have shifted it to professional. Of course, in your CS, you are going to study that. But right now, be happy. Simple. So external commercial borrowings, you don't have to do. Then next, fugitive economic offender. This topic has also been eliminated. Chapter has been eliminated. But now what they have done, they have introduced this topic only in money laundering. So basically some introduction about fugitive economic offender. Now they have inserted in money laundering chapter only. So separately they have removed the fugitive economic offender chapters. Done? Yes. Done? Next. What other things are there? Benami transaction. Benami transaction also again removed from CS Executive ECIPL. So this also you don't have to do. Done? So these things, this were the only notification which yesterday ICSI brought. So a really great news for you guys, right? So these things, please you can mark it down that which chapters are now eliminated. Okay, ma'am, understood this. But from when this is applicable? So guys, this is applicable from your December attempt itself. From your December 2025 attempts. So those who are going to appear exam in just December 2025, good news, half of your few of the things are eliminated from you. So you don't need to study. Done? Yes. For next, rest remaining things are same as it is. No other changes are there. CS professional as it is there. CS ET also same things are going on. The majority changes were in this chapter only in CS executive. Done? So that's it. That was only the amendment or you can say deletion which ICSI have brought. Please now you can focus on other things very well and Sid, please make sure that you study well now. Because there may be possibility that now institute will ask very good question from other things. Because they have eliminated a lot of things also, right? So all the very best. Study well, properly, work hard and give your best shot in this exams. Thank you very much. Enjoy your studies.